What's the key? The key to the business, and I want you to write this down, even though you've heard it before. The key to the business are a particular kind of seller. What kind of seller? Motivated sellers. Wow, who's heard that one before? Well, actually, we came all this way, and the guy's telling us the exact same thing we are right now. Yes, because I'm going to define it my way. I'm going to define motivated seller a little bit differently because we're talking about negotiation tonight. And how you market for these motivated sellers will improve your odds of the negotiation. Before you even get to the negotiation, how cool is that? So write this down. A motivated seller needs to sell the property even more than they want to sell it. A motivated seller needs to sell even more than they want to sell. Does that make sense? Okay. Now, what on earth would make somebody need to sell it more than want to sell it?
Life circumstances.
Circumstances, the problems. So what kind of problems might compel somebody to need to sell more than they want to sell? Let's hear a whole bunch, shout them out.
Job loss.
Job loss.
Health.
Go, say again.
Health.
Health issues, absolutely. Low health. Divorce. Yes.
Job promotion.
Job promotion. Yeah. Job gain, job loss, job promotion. Foreclosures, absolutely. Losing it to the bank. Bankruptcy, absolutely. Maintenance expenses are out of control.
Downsize.
They're downsizing. Or their family's gotten downsized and the kids moved out. Or what's the opposite of that? Upsizing, when you start having a lot of kids and now the house isn't big enough anymore. What's the way? Probate, an inherited property.
Yeah.
Say it again?
Yeah.
Death, absolutely. An inherited property.
Taxes.
Taxes. Yep, you fall behind on taxes, you're going to lose it. Oh, come on, what story did I just tell about New York? What was I?
Broke.
Broke, yes. Yes, I was technically a tired landlord. Thank you, yes. I was broke, but because I was a tired landlord. A sick and tired landlord. Yeah, tired landlords are great.
Being a New York City landlord.
New York City landlord or anything. I imagine there's some areas you don't want to be a landlord anywhere. That was my own stupidity. You're from New York?
I own in Rochester.
Oh, you own in Rochester? Oh, I'm from Buffalo, Richard Cole. All upstate New York. That's practically the Midwest. Right? Buffalo, Rochester, the people are nice to me. It's the Midwest. I mean, it's still the Northeast, but not that far from Ohio. It could be good. All right, so what was that? That was 12, 13, 15. That was a lot of different motivating factors. Maybe you were writing those down because those are all the good things that we can go market for, and we have people with problems that'll set them up to be more apt to do one particular thing in the negotiation. When you have somebody with one of those problems that we rattled off, one of those 15 and more problems, what's the most important thing to them when they are negotiating with you? Speed, maybe. If they like you, maybe. The pain, what about their pain? Relieving it, yes. Getting rid of the problem. That is their number one thing.